Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language lessons. In one of my proficiency classes this week, I pointed out to my students that particularly in their spoken language, they tend to overuse neither nor. So, in a bid to try and show off how sophisticated they are, they'll often say things like, I have neither heard of this film nor seen it, where I would just say, nah, I don't know it, I haven't seen it. Or maybe, I haven't seen it, I don't even know about it actually. One of my students then asked me, so is the correct pronunciation neither or neither? To which I responded by saying, either or, take your pick, it doesn't really matter, it doesn't make any difference. Interestingly, probably the most common use of either or in everyday speech is as a fixed expression in response to these kinds of questions. And you know, as a teacher, students ask these questions all the time. Students ask things like, so do people have a knack of doing things, or do people have a knack for doing things? It really doesn't matter. They're both fine. Either or, take your pick. In the same way, you might use it in response to questions. Someone might say to you, well, what do you fancy eating tonight? Do you want Indian or Thai? Either or, I don't mind. Both options sound fine. I'm not fussed, you decide. We can also talk about an either or situation where you have to choose one thing or the other. I was chatting the other day to an Iranian friend of mine who's a journalist, and we were talking about the protests going on as part of the ongoing Iranian Revolution that's happening at the moment. And she said to me, what a lot of people in the West misunderstand is it's not completely about not wanting to wear hijab, the kind of headscarf covering that some people are removing as part of the protests. It's basically about being forced to wear them and not being given the choice. And for a lot of Muslim women, it's not an either or situation. It's not either you have to wear them or you have to not wear them. It's you should be able to wear them if you want, and you should be able to not wear them if you want. It's the enforced element that's the problem. So it's not an either or situation. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use either or.